Okay, boys, welcome to Dubai. Assalamu alaikum. If you know the clip, you know the clip. It's from the 90s, some famous person. So today we are on Sony FD RX3000 and Action 4, DJI Action 4. So both cameras are 4K 30 FPS. I'm right now in the JBR area. Oh, this side is JLT, not JBR. Other side is JBR, this is JLT. And we're gonna test this in low light like this. Maybe go more darker afterwards. But I'm gonna walk that way. I made a full video. I actually filmed the full thing, the same setup, everything, maybe a month ago. And at the end of the day when I went back home to check, now what happened is somehow I had some profiles on DJI Action 4 saved. So instead of pressing the record button, I pressed some power button, so it changed the profile. I went from the standard one to the ultra wide D-Log M. That's why I was not able to edit or film or edit and post or whatever the thing is. Whenever I get a camera, first week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's always the user error with me. And I have also the shotgun mic, that's Sennheiser MKE200. Then I also have the DJI mic, that's the wireless one that connects directly to DJI Action 4. So we'll try all those on DJI. But the thing is, X3000 has no option for external microphone. There is a 3.5mm jack there, but the jack is so hot. This is kind of a golden hour, or whatever you say, golden hour. Sun's going down. That's 2 days ago. I'm thinking, what do you say when the sun goes down? I say Suraj Guru ho raha hai. But I don't know in the English, what's the English word? I always forget the English word. Look at this. People say there is dynamic range on these cameras. Let me know, guys, if you spend like 1500 dirham and then you go out film and look for the dynamic range, you think you have a purpose in your life or no? Look at this. Huh? So it's like that. So we'll check this. By the end of the day, in low light, you'll see this X3000 is like 2016 or 17 release, and it's still 2200 dirham here if you find one. Then otherwise that old camera is still good. It's still better than this Action DJI Action 4. And Action 4 is from last year, November or December, November something, or maybe October. From the metro you can get this all the way here, or maybe all the way there. You can park there. But then I thought I'll just walk, because I've been in the house for 2 days. I didn't see the sun for 2 days, and I just left now. It's like 7, almost 7 now. Also it's windy. Action 4 has nothing on it. Action 3000 has the sponge on it. It's called the sponge. You cut it up. I have a video about it. You cut it up, you put it on it with the rubber band. Also the top of Action 3000 is somehow detached. If you leave it like that, it will drop. So I have a rubber on for that also. So I have 2 rubbers now on it. It's falling apart because it's old, very old. It's like, I don't know, maybe 8 years already. So it's falling apart, but still works the best. With the image quality, it still works the best. The audio is still good. It's a stereo audio, front and back, wherever you put it. If I'm filming like this, if I'm talking, still good. You can hear me. If there is somebody in front, you can hear them. But if you keep it like this, still good. So I don't know why there is these companies, why can't they make a camera like this anymore, when there are the technology is so far and beyond our thoughts, and still we don't have good camera. Action 4 costs you 1600. Okay, 1600 is a lot. X3000 costs you 2200. That's a lot also. How are you? How are you, big boy? He'll get jumped. Today we found a cat in our lobby.
Yeah, but he didn't take a video or photo.
Yeah.
No,
Anyways,
how can you assume that she went up on the first floor?
she went from the stairs. Somebody opened the door. She ran in. Now people don't care. He just he or she maybe just left. They're like, okay, it will go back anyways. Somebody abandoned that cat. That's all I know. So we have that on the floor somewhere hiding right now. I think the security will take it away. But we feed her. Him or her, I don't know what is it. We give her food and water. But one time, it also ran inside, almost to the washroom. I picked her when you left. I'm talking with the guy. The door was open. I'm showing him the Billy and everybody. I opened the door full, like this name. She ran straight to the washroom.
It's hot, Kasi. Why you should have just let
He
her?
bring out his Scottish fold, the dark gray color, with the light green eyes.
I like the.
Oh my
maybe
God!
he knows
And it's
more.
1 year old. He said I need to get him. What do you call circumcised? What?
Neutered.
Neutered. Yeah, that's the thing. You need to get him that one. So he said if you know any doctor. I think his wife came out also. His wife said our kids like the cats, so we have one, only one. We cannot get more. I found this mount. It's from
Ulanzi.
4 years old. Olanzi and 4 years old. I found it in my box somewhere. So I'm thinking how I can fix all things up together and use it. So then I found this Olanzi one. It has two mount options, but one is cold shoe mount, the other one's the regular thread. I have to go in pro mode to find more attachments to fix everything all together. This is the way you are supposed to bring the bike walking. The dynamic range. The stabilization will get bad the more the sun goes down, the more light goes down. The thing with DJI Action 4 is you can adjust the ISO manually. It's like you can either put it like 200, 400, 1600, whatever, or you can do auto but put a limit on it. The limit is from 200 to 800, 200, 1600, goes up to 6400 ISO. So 6400 is very grainy, but if you go with the image noise cancelling, you put it down to -2, there is glitches on the background. But if you put it on -1, that works somehow good, but not as good as X3000 that still has optical image stabilization, not the electronic one. So X3000 comes with minimum options, only you can point and shoot, but DJI Action 4 has so many options, different fields of views. It's like super wide, standard wide, and the DWAP one that's like 20 millimeter. No edges. These edges will be curved from the wall. It will be curved, but if you put it on DWAP mode, it will be straight. So it's the lens that's doing this stuff. Then also you have horizon leveling on the DJI Action 4. You move the camera, it stays still. Anyways, we changed the plan because that coffee shop is very near. She needs to walk, so we walk the other side of the road.
No,
JBR.
I really thought we will go there, Rose.
Oh, you
Because
thought
this one
about
closes at 8
it. You thought about
or
it.
9. Transformation. All nations.
What?
Transformation of all nations. It's
Transformation. There's so many people here because it's the second day of Eid in UAE and everybody has off day tomorrow as well. So
coming. Why did we go
if
to
you look,
JBR?
literally is my buddies everywhere. That's what I'm going to pick up later from a friend, Shalwar Kameez. My brother sent it from Pakistan by some of his friend. He was going here, so now it's been like 20 days and I'm still waiting to go get collected from him because it's
It's waiting for you.
yeah, it's difficult to get things from the people who are not near you
We should have taken
here in
the tram
UAE
to
if you don't have a car, huh?
Let's take the tram to
To?
You know to JBR.
Or we take the tram.
The one next to the hotel.
We'll take the tram?
Yeah.
Yes. We'll take the
You have
tram.
regular card. They have gold only.
If I walk very carefully, if I don't move like the people you see on the roads walking with the DSLR cameras, it's good. But if you are like standard, look at this. Look at this.
Let's use gold.
Huh?
Regular. You have regular.
I have regular. We are here. This is Marina. We are here.
Yeah.
This goes all the way from this side or that?
This side, inside. You know the inside.
Before it was not working, now it's working. You used to go this way, one stop, then change, then go that way. You remember? We'll go from here. Okay, boys, so we are back on the streets. I went just in there for like 30 minutes. $137.
Look, it's nice. Can give this to
It's
your
not
mama.
like 100% cotton wool. Okay, so this is the darkest you can get. It's just like two lights on the side here. This will be very shaky on DJI Action 4, but X3000 is still good, but there will be noise. So you have no options to control the noise on, reduce the noise or whatever on the X3000. I'm just walking normal. It's a tripod, just a regular everybody uses, and the volume is still from the internal microphones. There is no external microphone attached to any of the camera. Look at this. There are some good shops, Lacoste, and there is Soul Park. Mostly here the things are very expensive. Just like the dress is 137 something. You can get that for 40, 50 something. It's easy. But we are at Roasters. Kuya is waiting, standing here. They block this side to the beach side for the singles. Only the couples or the families can go. Okay, the thing that happened is I just found this behind me on JBR, and there is a sale going on Yeezy.
Stand
No,
there.
no, no. I'm not the.
My mom.
I'm not the boomer. You think I'm the boomer?
It's
She's taking a
online.
picture of me. She's taking a picture of. Anyways, we will walk. Then we switch the microphones, because on the go switching the microphone with the wires and everything is difficult. I'll just show you how this looks while I'm using it. And this is, let me get my pocket tree. Okay, so I'll show you how this looks what I'm using right now. Let's switch it back to this side. This is the whole setup, okay? So it's a Ulanzi mount with X3000 and the DJI Pocket 4. Everything is on it. That's it. So no microphones, only these cameras I'm using right now. We checked the microphones with the DJI Action 4, and I'll try to add one to the X3000. Let's see how that works. Thank you. This is where I came with the kids last time. That's a lot of money you have to throw over here, and you win one or two maybe
Wait,
things.
baby, I still have the card.
You have the card, there's no balance in it.
I don't know.
It's finished. Last time you finished it, remember? When you were trying to win this one toy.
Husky.
Yeah, it's a lot of money. That's every try will get you like 15, 20, 15, 20, sometimes 25 in this, on these machines here. And I think it was approximately what, 500-600? I think it was five. Yeah, it was 500-600 last time. The guy is looking at me from inside. He's like, "What the hell are you doing, bro?" I think they have these limited editions of everything. 2600 for that thing over there, 55, 45. That's a lot of money. 5500 for this thing. They are hugging each other. That's it. How's it doing the low light for the X3000? There will be a lot of noise, but it's still doable. There are some softwares you can kill the noise in the software, but it smoothens the footage and everything, but still it works good, and you can do that. But I don't like doing the extra work, because the money I put into cameras is the only money I put in, and then I have to just go attach the clips together, and that's it. There are some softwares on DJI app also that you can attach the softwares by within the app, and then it will show you a full video, attached clips. It will cut out all the extra silent pieces. That's like AI editing or whatever, but that's very difficult. We'll go in here. We'll go in Roasters. This is my favorite coffee shop, and then we'll have a coffee and I'll try to add the microphones. Inside the restaurant, a cafe, the roaster, but there's no external microphones on X3000 or on DJI Action 4. What I'm gonna do is so I have the DJI microphone. This one is almost okay. It works with this DJI wirelessly. You don't need any wires or anything. Also, X3000 is gonna work, but only when you have a wire. And this has a 3.5mm jack on the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the what do you call it? The Wireless Me. That has auto gain adjustment. So I brought it with me somewhere in my bag. Okay, this is the Wireless Me. Okay, it comes with a transmitter and one receiver. So I can use it with X3000. This is the very first time I'm gonna use anything with this. I'll try to isolate the voice as much as I can, but I don't know how it will sound. This one also has, I dropped this, and when I drop this is open. So if I remove the rubber, it will open up. There is a battery inside and some wires and everything. I don't know engineering, so I'm not sure, but I saw the inside of this thing, and this is the transmitter, receiver and the transmitter. I'll attach this to X3000 and the wireless DJI mic I'll attach with the Action 4. Okay, so now I'm connected to the DJI Action 4 with the microphone that comes with the Pocket 3. It connects wirelessly to this action camera. I see the level is not that much high, and on the other side I have the Rode Wireless Me, sorry. This is the Wireless Me, but I'm not sure it's gonna work or no. It has auto gain assist and it's connected to the X3000 with the 3.5mm jack, and this is the transmitter. There's the receiver on the back, but I'll fix it in the post. I'll try to fix if it's very loud, I'll try to fix it. But this is very good. It's just one transmitter, one receiver, and you can use it like outdoors. It has the same range as the Pros. I have the Pros with me, but I'm not gonna use it. Pros will have two microphones with it. I'll just show you. Here is the Pro. Here's the Pro. One second, let me fix this again. It goes on your collar, but I don't know how it will sound. This is the Pro ones. It has let me check. Okay. Here's the Pro one. It has a receiver and two transmitters. So this one is actually way better than these because it doesn't have the 32-bit float recording inside. I can use the 32-bit float on the X3000 as well because I have it internally. It will sync straight to the X3000. But again, if you have the option for the external microphone on X3000, nobody can top this one if it's windy or wherever you are. And also this DJI has noise cancelling. I think it will work if I press when it turns green. That means it's noise cancelling. Now the voice will change. So I think this will be a bit better than the last time. And this one, I'm not actually sure. Never used any external microphone with the X3000. Many people say it's always hot, very hot. It's very loud. It has distortion whenever you're using the external microphone. But I have this one. This says, Wireless Me says in the app there is auto gain assist. That means it's never gonna peak, no matter wherever you are, how loud you talk, whatever the camera is. Here's my coffee. See, these Instagram people are too much nowadays. They need to take pictures of everything wherever they go. So right now, if I move, if I go, let's say far away, if I'm outdoors, even if I'm behind the camera, everything is recording on this microphone internally and also in the camera.
so you get the best audio. These are the best options you have for these microphones, these cameras. The Action 4 has a lot of options, a lot of new things, but the thing with the sensor is very small. It's not even 1 inch, so you end up with a video that's not good, especially in dark places. Even at daytime, if you go into a dark alley, like there is no sun, there is buildings on the both sides, you end up with a video that's shaky daytime as well. But X3000, because it has a internal image stabilization, you call it the optical image stabilization. The lens is moving when you are moving, so it doesn't apply the electric stabilization on top of it, so it's kind of better. But again, the sensor is still small for the action camera like this. So the best option you have if you want day and night, that's DJI Pocket 3. But if you want it on the daytime, something quick, like you can mount anywhere. Action 4 you can mount anywhere you want. It has mount options, the magnetic ones, so you get a one extra with the action combo kit, adventure kit they say. But my adventure is to put it on a tripod and walk around. That's the most adventure I'm getting right now from this. Here's my coffee. I'll show you my coffee. Let's switch it, the camera, this way. There's the coffee. I can see the levels on the Action 4, actually the green line going up and down. That means it's not peaking, it's green and a very small portion of yellow.
Okay boys, day 2. I was very hungry at home and I was feeling like I'll eat wonton. So I came to the Way Mall. I just ate in there. So just go sit somewhere, finish this, then edit this. There is a roaster up front, we'll go there. This way, then take the right, straight right. Then on the left there is a coffee shop, but that's far. We'll go to the right side. There is roasters. We sit at roasters, drink some coffee. I'll try to edit this, and this thing this will be a whole mess because I have to still learn how to mix two of these cameras together into one video. I did it once before. I forgot. The thing is, I've been doing it, but it's like about 6 months, 1 year. Last year I did one. It's difficult also. It takes a lot of time, and this is how I do it. I open the YouTube on one side, one page. They will teach me how to do it, like there are tutorials, DaVinci Resolve tutorials. So while I'm listening to them, I'm trying the same thing over on this side. So that's how we will do it now. Again, it takes like 2 or 3 hours of my time, but that's still okay. We'll be on this side. That's the third building, I think, with the roasters. We'll go that way. Also, the battery on X3000, I just changed it since yesterday I'm filming. So I changed the battery today. I made like 1.5 hours of everything is 4K30. It took whole 1 day for one battery, but on DJI Action 4 it took maybe 48-50 minutes and it was dead. So I have to change the battery. That's the second one. Let's see. I still have like 50%. X3000 is just the second one I just installed, so maybe it's still like 90%. And the sun is very sharp. It's been like a week or two. The sun is the hardest, like the strongest in UAE right now. Okay, so last thing I want to show you, this is the Wireless Pro. This is like the Pro version of the Rode wireless system, I think. And this one is, let me check the audio levels. Yeah, it's okay. This one is you can connect this with Action 4. The thing with Action 4 is DJI Action 4, it has a lot of options.
it has so many options, so many mounts. Then you have option to connect. I'm connecting this wireless pro with the USB-C to USB-C. You don't need the 3.5 millimeter jack. But again, if you go with the microphone, you need one. The 3.5 microphone, you need USB-C to 3.5. Anyways, so this is the last thing. This is my coffee. I'll just drink this coffee. I'll finish this and then I'll start editing here also.